How's it, guys? I realize I never really ever do proper introductions to my videos lately, so let's try this time. Today I'm going to tackle that 354 motor. I'm sure you're all curious about what's going on there. So this video is basically going to be a strip down and let's investigate what's going on. Right, for those of you who remember from my last video, before I took it out the frame, you'll remember I showed you no compression, and you can hear the connecting rods inside, they're just flopping around. So I've got no idea what's going on here. Let's tear into it and see what we find. Right, I'll start with the cylinder head. This breather cover was still loose from last time I worked on it. I don't know if I mentioned it in one of the previous videos too, but this complete motor has been painted, assembled, and was painted while it was assembled. So there's going to be a lot of paint that's going to crack off in the process. I'm not sure why that was done. I'm assuming it might have something to do that somebody just wanted to temporarily complete this motor, put it back together so that at least it looks pleasing to the eye. And it was a project he was going to get to at a later stage. Moment of truth. Well, that all appears to be complete. Rocker assemblies in here. Camshafts in there. Let's get that Kickstarter. Put it back in here quickly. Okay, so it's in, but it's not connected at all. As you can see, the sprocket's just lying loosely in there. It was obviously just put loosely in there. No problem, let's remove the camshaft. Well, it's a timing chain fall in. Camshaft looks really nice. Good condition. Like it. These are little oil feeders. Oil comes in there. There's bound to be a little hole, two little holes that squirt. Ah, there we go. Can you see that? There we go. You can probably see. Oops. You can probably see the little holes. I suspect that the cylinder head has not been torqued down. No, these bolts are all this. Right, I need to remove these copper washers. Not all the cylinders have them. Okay, moment of truth. This thing should pop off, no problem. See, it wasn't really tightened at all, just as I thought. It actually looks really nice in here. Someone clearly cleaned in here and prepped it. Right, let's put this in the box. Let's see if I can carefully remove this gasket. I need to remove it carefully because you can't buy these gaskets easily over shelf anymore. I'll have to have one specially made. And when you get one specially made, the guy I uses will use this old gasket as a template. That's it. Right, it's all exactly like I expected. There's no pistons in there. But the bores actually look very nice. I'm not sure why it was done, what was done. I can see. Okay. You probably can't see it so well, but this bore, the sleeving in there is cracked. So I'll pull off the cylinder, the barrels, and then you'll be able to see better. They're only stuck from the paint, I suspect. Right. Oh, there you can see. That is what happened. That's a bit of a pity. But fortunately we can press these sleeves out. I will have to see what I can do, how easily I can find another sleeve, or if it will just be easier to have one machined to fit in here. We will have a look. Right, let's take a look further down in the motor. They feel really nice, these conrods and everything, they feel really nice, which is good. I will probably strip this complete motor right down, seeing I have to, well, seeing somebody painted it. So I'm not happy with the paint on there. You can see, for instance, here, how the paint is just everywhere. It was all painted as one complete unit. Like I said, I think it was just done so that the motor looks decent for aesthetic reasons. Perhaps the motorcycle went to a motorcycle show and was there just for display, or maybe the guy had it parked in his house just to look at or something. I'm not so sure. But yeah, that engine, I'm going to strip it down. Hopefully the paint's not hiding little problems such as cracked casing parts or anything else, but we will only know that once I tackle further down in here. So I think I'm going to end the video here then, and the next video I'll probably start tackling on the engine. I'll see what I can do about that broken liner, splitting the casing further. I don't think I'm going to do it at this point in time. I will carry on with the casing that once I've come up with a solution for the liner. Once again, like I said, these bikes were only produced for 2 years or something. I'm not so sure how easy it's going to be to find a liner. I'll have to measure the size of those sleeves and stuff, and perhaps there's a little 100cc bike out there, or a little 80cc bike or something, little Honda that uses the same sleeve. The chances are quite good of that. Anyway, hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and a subscribe if you like. I would really appreciate it.